Counting is underway for Mandate 2024. Here in News9 Plus, we drew out 6 scenarios that is possible once the results are out. In the first scenario, if BJP gets 360 seats, Prime Minister Modi will get a record third term. And the market reactions that we are expecting is that the rupee will get stronger and the equities will be higher. On the reform front, policy, there will be continuity in it, and the reforms will be easy to pass in Parliament. In the second scenario, BJP could get less than 300 seats. In that case also, Prime Minister Modi will continue as the Prime Minister. And this will be obviously, in the markets if we see scenario, the INR, the rupee will get stronger, equities will be higher. In the reforms front, the contentious reforms will be easy to pass, and there will be obviously continuity in policy execution. In the third scenario, BJP manages to cross the majority mark, which is the 272. In that case also, Prime Minister Modi continues to be in the hot seat, and the market reaction, there will be knee-jerk, weakness suggesting that, the challenges, because their expectations were that they will cross the majority mark easily. So obviously there will be some weakness in the market before strengthening gradually. On the reforms front, the policy continuity will happen. There will be some tweaks made to support the existing schemes run by the NDA government. In the fourth scenario, NDA will cross the majority mark of 272, but BJP will be below that number. So anywhere between, let's say, 230 to about 272 seats. So in that, obviously, Prime Minister Modi will head the government. The market reactions that you can expect is that, it's going to drop by, a bit or even large numbers, but they will regain the footing once it settles down. Obviously, in the reforms front, the policy will continue. The bigger challenge will be the power sharing fact, where allies come into the picture out here. So they have to play a big role out there because they have the numbers to demand that. And also, obviously, policy will be, there will be challenges for BJP to push their agenda. But as far as numbers are concerned, so the policy will be manageable for the government. In the fifth scenario, where BJP goes below 200 mark, NDA also unable to cross the 272 mark, they'll be landing around, let's say, 250 seats. In that scenario, the Prime Minister's post is very important because there's going to be multiple contenders out here within BJP and also in the allies. And that is a big challenge for BJP. In the market, if we see, there will be, very rush for equity sell-off. The INR rates, the rupee rates will go higher. On the reforms front, there will be definitely slowdown in decision making because out here, BJP is not within, they don't have the numbers. So when they take allies' help, they need to take them along with them. So there will be a tilt towards low income, there will be a tilt towards supporting consumption. So those are big challenges that will emerge for BJP in scenario 5. In the sixth scenario, this is where the India bloc wins more than 272, the majority mark. Again, the Prime Minister, there will be multiple contenders within the Indian parties, the coalition. They will be demanding their pound of flesh. The market reaction is going to be very serious. There are going to be sharp sell-off of rupee. The equity sell-off will happen. The higher INR rates will come in. And the reforms also will slow down, or there will be a reversal in fiscal consolidation. And there will be obviously a relook at previous government's flagship policy because that's what the India bloc fought the elections on. So in scenario 6, there will be again going to be challenges for the India bloc. And when those challenges come, we have to see who will emerge on top. That's all we have. News9 Plus presents your 6 scenarios that is possible once the 2024 election results are out.